got this really cool fan light fixture to go downstairs in my workout area. It's super nice and really easy to install. All you have to do is screw it into an E26 outlet and it's ready to turn on. It does come with a remote and it's really awesome because you can either turn the light on and off, or you can turn the fan on. And if you don't want the light on, you can turn the light off but keep the fan on. It's really cool. The fans have different adjustments. You have low, medium, and high, and it does give off a really good breeze, which is super nice. And then there's also a warm, cool, and natural light tone just by clicking on these 4 buttons here, and you can dim them as well. So right now it's on the cool tone, so if we push the top button, it's gonna change it to the natural light, or you can go all the way to the warm light. Super easy. If you want to go back, you can just push the middle button and it'll dim all the way down to the natural light. If you want to brighten it, you just click on the side button here. You can brighten it, and if you want to dim it, you click on the opposite side and dim it down with that. So this is really cool. I love that it's easy to use just by pushing the on and off button, or you can just use your regular light switch to turn that on and off as well. This is going to be super nice to have in my workout area. So if you're looking for a new light fixture that also includes a fan, I highly recommend looking into this one. This light fixture also has a 1 hour, 2 hour, and a 4 hour timer, which is really nice. Super easy to use. You got your power button, and here's all of the dimming and brightening and changing of lights. And then you have your fan. It's on the low setting, medium, and high. Turn the light off, keep the fan on. Super nice.